Are you looking for the top 5 corded drill in 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 corded drill in 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. DEWALT Drill. The DEWALT 8.0 amp 3/8-inch corded drill, model DWD-115K, is a reliable, professional-grade tool designed for everyday drilling and driving tasks in wood, metal, plastic, and more. Powered by a robust 8.0 amp motor, it delivers plenty of torque for both light and medium-duty jobs around the workshop or home. Its 3/8-inch keyed chuck allows secure bit holding and easy bit changes, so you can switch between drilling and driving functions quickly and confidently. Comfort and control are priorities with this drill. The variable speed trigger gives you smooth control over drilling speed, while the mid-handle grip helps reduce fatigue and improves balance during use. The ergonomic design makes it easier to guide the drill accurately, even when working for extended periods. Because it's corded, you get consistent power without worrying about battery life, making it well-suited for longer projects. Compact and dependable, the DEWALT DWD-115K is a solid choice for DIYers, hobbyists, and anyone who needs a durable drill for everyday tasks. Number 2. Cheng 20V Brushless Heavy-Duty Impact Drill. The perfect all-in-one impact drill for homeowners and DIYers. Powerful yet easy to handle, this 531 and LBS brushless impact drill delivers more than enough torque for 95% of home projects, from assembling furniture and hanging shelves to building a garden planter. One hammer drill, 3 modes, endless projects, drill, drive, and hammer with ease. Switch instantly between modes for any task. Use the dual speed settings 600 and 0 to 2,300 revolutions per minute. 4 quick, clean holes in wood and metal, the hammer function for mounting items on brick wall, and the drive mode for all your screwing needs. One compact tool does it all. Designed for comfort and precision, not fatigue. Weighing just 3.3 pounds with 2.0 battery, with a compact 5.79-inch, 147mm body, it easily fits in tight spaces like under sinks or inside cabinets. The soft grip handle and 20+1 clutch settings give you perfect control to drive screws flush without damaging surfaces. Even for beginners, your go-to tool for weekend projects and home upgrades. Tackle that ever-growing to-do list with confidence. Install curtain rods, build a bookshelf, secure deck boards, drill into masonry, or repair fence. The robust 1/2-inch metal chuck keeps bits firmly in place for reliable performance on every job. 20V battery platform. By sharing battery technology across all Cheng 20V Max tools, try to build your 20V Cheng cordless system. Number 3. BOSCH 11255 VSR Bulldog Xtreme 8. The BOSCH 11255 VSR Bulldog Xtreme 8 amp 1-inch corded variable speed SDS-Plus rotary hammer is a powerful and dependable tool built for tough concrete and masonry work. Equipped with a robust 8 amp motor, it delivers strong impact energy and drilling performance to tackle demanding jobs like drilling anchor holes, installing rebar, chiseling, and general demolition. The SDS-Plus bit system allows quick, tool-free bit changes and ensures secure bit retention even under heavy loads. This rotary hammer features variable speed control, so you can match the power and precision to the task, from precise drilling to aggressive chiseling. Its compact design and optimized balance make it comfortable to use in tight spaces and overhead applications, while the rotating brush plate provides consistent power in forward and reverse. Built with durability in mind, the Bulldog Xtreme has premium components that stand up to job site wear and tear. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a serious DIYer, this hammer delivers reliable performance for concrete drilling, chiseling, and more.
Number 4. 1-inch SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. The 1-inch SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer Drill is a heavy-duty tool designed for serious concrete, masonry, and demolition work. Powered by a strong 8 amp motor and delivering up to 3.0 joules of impact energy, this versatile hammer handles tough tasks like drilling anchor holes, chipping, chiseling, and breaking concrete with ease. Its SDS-Plus bit system makes changing accessories quick and secure. No wrenches needed. and ensures solid engagement under heavy loads. With 4 operating modes, rotation only, hammer drilling, chiseling with lock, and chisel positioning, you can switch between drilling and demolition tasks smoothly for maximum flexibility. The variable speed control lets you match power to the job for precision or punch, while the built-in safety clutch helps reduce kickback if the bit binds, improving user comfort and control. This kit includes 3 drill bits, 2 chisels, and 1 adapter, giving you essential accessories right out of the box. Rugged, reliable, and easy to handle, this rotary hammer is ideal for construction, renovation, and heavy-duty DIY projects.
Number 5. Makita DP40 21 1/2 inch drill with keyless chuck. The Makita DP40 21 1/2 inch drill with keyless chuck is a reliable, professional-grade power tool built for everyday drilling and driving tasks in wood, metal, plastic, and other common materials. Powered by a durable motor, this compact drill delivers smooth and consistent performance that's ideal for workshop use, job sites, and home projects alike. Its 1/2 inch keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy, letting you switch between drilling and fastening without the hassle of the chuck key. Designed with user comfort in mind, the DP40 21 features an ergonomic grip that reduces fatigue during extended use and helps you maintain better control over the tool. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control over drilling speed, making it easier to start holes accurately and finish tasks cleanly. With its straightforward design, solid build quality, and dependable power delivery, the Makita DP40 21 is a versatile drill that suits DIYers, hobbyists, and professionals who need a durable, easy-to-use tool for a wide range of everyday applications.